All right, welcome back. We are revisiting construction today. We'll be going down Pond Street, and we will also be stopping by the safety building. A lot of progress there. Got a view right now of the smoke earlier this week, and a nice cool down sunset here over Pond Street in Elliott. So I wanted to add this in here because they're still doing this little ramp over here, but I've gone by and looked at it a few times and they just keep smashing up this rock at the end there and back and forth they go. So the clouds are breaking up a little bit, and Pond Street, hard to believe this is going to happen for 3 years, but hopefully the pipe construction will be done soon. But I seem to get a pretty good breakdown of it today. So I was kind of curious myself how this whole thing works. So we're looking at a corner lot at 500 Elliott Street down there. I remember filming that first. It was all gray, the first construction video I did, so it's nice to see that that's completely green. So here's our first shot here at construction. We got our flagger, and it looks like down the line at the end, the last group is pretty much marking pipe length and figuring out how the next cut's going to go, or the next set. You can see this is going to come down and he'll mark that, he or she. So coming over a little closer to Pond Street, we're using the zoom here and getting a pretty good look of the trench here from the top, and the trench box. We've got one worker right in the trench box, or trench shield. This keeps everybody safe that's inside, and also shores up the trench walls at the same time. It doesn't look like they've got any pumps going to water in there. That's a good thing. And the loader will come back and forth, and the loader has a pile of two materials. There's gravel on the left far side, and also some soil. He's like a little rock as well off to the side, but it looks like they'll, depending on the situation, probably gravel first, and then that will get filled in with the softer material, the soil around the pipe, so it stays snug in there. Just can't wait till these pipes are finally down and in, so we can kind of get to the next stage here. I know everyone's a little anxious. I'm looking anxious about it because there's always a change. More traffic. So we'll be heading over to the safety building. Looks like they've got walls up, concrete, more than concrete pouring. They've got a lot going on there. You can see the turn of events that's happened just since the last time I filmed it. I want to give you a broader view of how we're coming in, and we'll get a lot closer with the zoom. So they're running this concrete out and around, and there's some gentlemen out in the front. We'll get closer to them, but they are looking like they are presetting the footing there as the concrete gets poured and comes around that perimeter of the front wall. So not bad progress right there. A little bit of rainwater in one of those holes that they've dug, so they'll probably throw a pump in there or pump that out, but looks like they've done a pretty good job. So far, so good. So we got to two spots today. Kind of a recap, just back on construction. Another view here, far wall there. And just another view of the smoke over the far hills into Holliston and Hopkinton there. And a similar view, saying goodnight, saying goodbye, saying thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Cheers. Have a great night.